Welcome to SS Adventures. In our previous videos, you might have seen us going for boating on weekends for either swimming, fishing, or exploring the nature on a pleasant island. Instead of going to the crowded beaches, we normally come here. And as we live in Florida, we have more access to water, and my kids love water sport activities like scuba diving, snorkeling. That's where we started falling in love with ocean activities, and we thought of buying a boat and started research on it. We looked at different types of boats. We started exploring different features of a boat and also tried to get an estimate on the cost of the boat and also the monthly expense. During our research, we got to know about Freedom Boat Club. As a new beginner to boating, we liked all the hassle-free options of the boat club that it is providing, and we took the membership. It's almost more than a year with them, and I would like to share why we preferred Freedom Boat Club instead of buying a boat. First thing is variety of boats. Boat Clubs offers a diverse fleet of boats. This means you have the access to a wide range of boats. We have a pontoon boat like this for a family to center console fishing boat like this without the need to buy multiple boats for different occasions. Next comes location limitations. Your boat is stationed at a specific location, typically at a marine or your dock. This means your access is limited to that particular body of water. But whereas a boat club offers access to boats in various places, which means you can enjoy boating in different water bodies without need to transport your own boat. Freedom Boat Club not only has locations in United States but also in different locations around the world. Storage. You may need to pay for storage if you don't have your own dock or suitable place for the boat. But with the boat club, you don't need to worry about finding a place to store the boat when not in use. We just need to park it there and get back to our car. They will take care of everything. Next comes ease of use. We don't need to worry about fuel, towing the boat, and the truck for that. We just need to make a reservation, and boat club members will take care of that, and the boat will be ready for us to enjoy. A few more things. Boat Club provides training sessions for members, those who are new to boating, and also they take care of all the maintenance and cleaning. Here we might be wondering how much the monthly expense would be. So to buy a boat, the monthly expense would be the monthly payment, insurance, storage, docking, cleaning cost, and fuel charges. But whereas if you go for Freedom Boat Club, the charge only will be for the one-time membership fees and monthly payment and fuel charges. So we can omit the storage cost, insurance cost, maintenance, and other charges. So, there you have it, folks. While boat ownership certainly has its perks, a boat club membership also offers a whole lot of benefits that can make your boating experience more enjoyable and hassle free. If you're someone who values variety, cost efficiency, and opportunity to connect with boating community, a boat club might just be the perfect fit for you. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. See you out on the water. Thank you.